Hello, good morning. Welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. So, for the last few episodes, you are learning about speed maths and shortcut methods in mathematics. And hope you are enjoying those videos. And today video also something new and which is a continuation of the last video. In the last session, we are discussing about fractions, isn't it? So, we are discussing about fractions. And in that fractions also there are different types of fractions like proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fractions, unlike fractions, equivalent fractions we have learned. Then apart from that, we discussed about how to add like fraction and how to subtract like fractions. Only like fractions we have done. In this episode, today we are going to learn how to add and subtract unlike fractions. Okay, so ready to listen? Please come. So the topic is fractions. Now, addition of unlike fractions. Addition of unlike fractions. Then we will discuss about subtraction of unlike fractions. Now, what are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are nothing but whose denominators are different. That already we have covered. Okay. Like suppose if I take 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Now, how to add these two fractions whose denominators are different? That is the concept. Now, here the denominator is 3. Here the denominator is 4. So, to get this, there are two methods. I am going to explain two methods how to do this calculation. One method is LCM method. So, method 1 is LCM method. LCM method in the sense, here the denominator is 3, here the denominator is 4. So, LCM of 3 and 4 if you take, this is nothing but 12. So, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 4s are 12. So now 2 by 3 and here 3 by 4 is given. The question. I am writing the question. So what should be multiplied to these denominators to get 12? That we have to check. Already 3 is a 3 into what should be multiplied to get 12 is 4. Similarly here, 4 into what should be multiplied to make it 12 means 3. 4 3 is the 12. Now, how can you multiply a given number without doing for numerator? Is it possible? No. Whatever you are multiplying to the denominator, the same thing you should multiply to the numerator also. And here the denominator we are multiplying with the 3. So, we are going to multiply the same 3 with the numerator. Then, the next step 2 4s are 8 by 12 plus 3 3s are 9 by 12. So, in the next step, so 8 by 12, 9 by 12. So, the denominators are same. What I told, when the denominators are same, that means it became an equal fractions or like fractions. So, it was an unlike fraction actually, but we made it into like fractions. So, 12 is the denominator and the numerators are 8 plus 9. Which is equal to 17 by 12. This is the answer. So, in this way, you can do addition of unlike fraction. So, I can explain you method 2 also. First, the method 1 is, you understand LCM method. Whatever the denominators are given, to that denominators you take the LCM, you will get some answer. After getting that answer, what you have to do to the given denominators, what to be multiplied to get that LCM answer. So the same number you are going to multiply with the numerator also. So 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. This is 3 3s are 9 and 12. 12 and 12 are same. Now it became a like fraction. So when it became like fraction, directly add the numerator. That is 8 plus 9, which is equal to 17 by 12 is the right answer. Okay. Now I am going to explain method 2. But it is not LCM method. It is cross multiplication method. It is cross multiplication method. I will show you. Now the same question. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Same question I am taking. First, this numerator to be multiplied with this denominator, that is 2 into 4. Okay, done? Plus this numerator to be multiplied with this denominator, 3 into 3. Done? Numerator divided by, what are the denominators given? 3 and 4. Just multiply 3 into 4. So 2 4s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 by 12, which is equal to 17 by 12. Just check the previous one, you will get the same answer. So you can do in this method also. So when there are smaller numbers, you can do this method because the denominator is 4 and 3, 3 and 4. So for 3 4s are 12. This is very simple. Suppose if you get the denominator like 24 and 47. So how can you multiply 24 and 47? It will take a lot of time again. So that time you go for LCM method. That will be more easy for you. Okay? I'll give one more example. Three by 7 plus 4 by 9. Now which method you want? Method 1 is taking LCM of 7 and 9. Our second method is cross multiplication. So 3 into 9 plus 4 into 7, which is divided by the denominator. What are the denominator? 7 into 9. Now this is 27 plus 28 by 7 into 9. So I am not calculating this. Just keep it like that. Here on 27 plus 28, what? 20 plus 20, 40. 7 plus 8, 15. 40 plus 15, 55. So 55 by 7 into 9. Why I did not multiply the denominator? Because in any case, we can check whether this the given number of the numerator will be divided by this or this. So 55 will not be divisible by 7 and 55 will not go in 9 table. So at the last 55 by, you can write 63 as it is because this will not go. In case any number which may get cancelled, you can get cancelled and write in the lowest form also. So that is the final answer. Okay? So hope you understood. Now coming to subtraction. Subtraction of unlike fractions. So again I will take 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7. If I take 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So better, okay, 7 means you will think that, so I will take 11. That will become equal fractions. So converting the unlike fraction to a like fraction means what? Doing with LCM method. Now LCM of 7 and 11 is 77 directly. So the first part 2 by 7 minus second part 3 by 11. So what should be multiplied to this denominator to get 77? 11. You can also write 11. For 11, what is to be multiplied to get 77? 7. Here also 7. So 2 11s are 22 by 77 minus 21 by 77, which is equal to here. The denominators are same. Directly like 77, 22 minus 21. 22 minus 21, which is equal to 1 by 77. So this is the one answer in LCM format. Suppose if you don't want to take LCM format, so if you go with other method, what? Cross multiplication 2 into 11 minus 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Minus why? Because it is subtraction is given by 7 into 11. So 2 11s are 22 minus 3 7s are 21 by 77, which is what 22 minus 21 is nothing but 1 by 77. In this format, you can do subtraction of like and unlike fractions also. You can do it off. So hope you will take more numbers, more example. The thing is, maths is a subject where you feel more comfortable, more easy when you look into that. But when you come to write and do, then you feel difficulty. So my sincere advice and suggestion is, don't listen and keep like that. So take one paper, start practicing, take your own numbers. Always take your own numbers and do it and get the answer. So hope you understood this session. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.